Signal Magazine's March 2014 issue looks at many of the things currently confronting Homeland Security, as well as developments in Europe and NATO. The U.S. Coast Guard is looking within to address its growing mission set. It is developing and deploying its own new information technologies aboard its newest cutters. On land, Immigration and Customs Enforcement is improving information interoperability across agency lines. In cyberspace, the U.S. Secret Service is closing in on cybercriminals. And one opinion holds that traditional solutions may not protect the critical infrastructure. Safely exploiting cyberspace may become a lot easier as the U.S. Army, academia, and industry are teaming to advance cloud computing. The picture is changing for European defense as spending on information technologies increases. In Romania, the government is extending procurements instead of cutting them. In Turkey, a NATO center of excellence fights terrorist use of cyberspace. And Britain's storied Royal Navy introduces a new high-technology ship class designed to rule the waves. For these stories and more, visit www.afcea.org/signal.